What's up, guys? Today we're talking about what is the absolute least amount of equipment that you need to have at home to get a fantastic workout. Owner of K-Squared Fitness, and this is a YouTube channel that provides workouts, movement tutorials, helps you move better, and helps to inspire to bring the best out of you for your health and fitness. So in part one of the garage or at-home workout series, we talked about all the things: pull-up bar, barbell, dumbbells, kettlebells, all the different stuff. This is not for those people. This is for people who are on a small budget, don't want to dedicate a lot of time, money, and resources. And I'm going to show you how you can get a fantastic workout with just these three things. In fact, at ksquaredfitness.com, our fitness app guides people through on a daily basis awesome workouts at home, 15, 30 minutes every single day with just this here. What I'm getting at is this: we got to have some form of cardio. Even if you don't have a jump rope, we can hit jumping jacks. There's ways to be creative and to get your heart rate up, but we want to have in a training program something that gets your heart rate up, something that's going to allow you to pull, push, and work your legs. So if you had a threaded band, we could do things like put this around your door or anywhere so that we can work your back, right? We can get pulls like this here. If you don't have anything to hook it on, you can lay upside down and hook it around your feet and pull like this. Tons of different variations that you can do with the dumbbells. I'm going to just show you a few here. We can do, if we did one at a time, we can do things like goblet squats, right? We can do split squat lunges so we can work some legs. We can do lateral lunges so we can work the inside of our legs. Those are 3 leg exercises. I'll show you some push exercises. You can do presses like this. You could do presses here, right? You could do presses going this way. And then let me show you a couple of pull exercises. We could do pulls, working our core here. You can get up, pull one at a time, pull both at a time. You get the idea. We can get an awesome workout with just this limited equipment, and we're not even talking about all the different variations of core that you can do. But what matters is you can have all this sitting in your corner at home, but if you don't know how to put it to work, it's not getting any progress, right? So I'll encourage you, you can click the link down below and I'll send you a link to our app where you can actually try the first week for free. You and I can get on a coaching call if you want it. I can help you analyze and assess your goals. But regardless, our fitness app will take you through an awesome workout every single day, and all you need is this equipment. Anytime on the screen, if there's something that you cannot do, there's a harder and an easier button that you can click to customize, so it's like personal training at a fraction of the cost. Hope you guys keep training hard. If you guys got any questions, put them down in the comments below. And if you're new around here, be sure to subscribe, like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.